1 year ago, I made a video about New Year's resolutions. And like pretty much everyone else out there, they didn't go according to plan. So this year, I was going back and forth on the idea of actually making a few New Year's resolutions. I do like the idea, self-improvement, trying to actually put pen on paper and accomplishing certain things that year. I like the idea, but it's only harder than ever to do anything, right? And here in Montreal right now, we're under a pretty heavy lockdown and curfew, so not much is actually possible.
Oh yeah, and it's winter here in Canada, so everything is frozen. So while thinking of my failed New Year's resolutions, I realized that, I didn't get many of them done, but what I did get done actually turned out to be very important. For example, with my company, Scratch Takes, and a few other friends, we started something called the Rooster Room Sessions last year, which were essentially like a tiny desk style concert series from our office space. It was live streamed, and we were only able to do 2 because of COVID, but I was able to use those 2 concert recordings or concert live streams to actually get a lot of work during COVID. So it ended up being extremely beneficial. Or another resolution, which was to release 2 videos a month on my YouTube channel. I didn't do that, but I did release 17 videos last year. And you know what? I'm proud of that. One more thing, working out. Despite COVID, I was actually still able to, no, I'm just kidding. I wasn't able to keep up a workout for the life of me. I don't know how anyone does it, especially at home. Home workouts are the worst. But props to you if that's something you've been able to keep up. It's not me.
All of this to say, even though my New Year's resolutions didn't pan out the way I would have wanted, having them got me motivated to get started. But a year is a really long time. So this year, I've decided to try monthly resolutions instead. And this is why. When you write a to-do list for your day, for example, what you want to get done today, and you write everything that you have to do, and suddenly you're overwhelmed by everything that you have to do today, when in reality you might be able to do part of it today, part of it tomorrow, and part of it the next day. That's just better time management. And I feel that with New Year's resolutions, if we actually make them monthly, we can organize our time a little bit better. So for example, instead of committing to working out 3 times a week for the rest of the year, something more manageable, like I want to work out this week, or I'm gonna record 1 video a month, or whatever you want. But what I've personally found is that reducing it to once a month or once a week, chunks of time that are more manageable, I'm just gonna be a happier person. So this year, I'm doing monthly resolutions instead. That's the video for today. What do you think? Monthly resolutions, yay or nay? If you liked this video, physically doing it with a mouse click would be great. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to see more content like this, well, I guess I don't really do this sort of content. It's more like gear reviews and like every now and then a skit or something like that. Then you can subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.